Oops, sorry about that. I missed one because I didn't convert the Word file to the PDF. I gotta fix that after this. Here's a definite integral with parts. Is the special thing to learn in this problem. How do we do a definite integral? Same parts formula. I want to pick a u that will go away when I take its derivative. X works here. dv is everything else, is stuff to the 1/2 is 2x plus 1 to the 1/2 dx. The integral of stuff to the 1/2 is stuff to the 3/2 with a 2/3 out front. But because there's a constant of 2 here that's going to get pooped out by the chain rule when I take its derivative, I want to divide by that too. This is just like that integrating e to the 2x thing, but feels a little harder. Du is derivative of this is 1, dx is just dx. The 1/2 and the 2 can cancel there. So what do we get? The integral of u dv equals uv minus integral v du. And if you put bounds, then you just get bounds, and you have to evaluate this at those bounds. So I get the integral of, I get uv is x times 1/3 2x plus 1 to the 3/2. I need to evaluate that from 4 to 12. Minus the integral of v du is 1/3 2x plus 1 to the 3/2 dx. Okay, this is not a harder integral than the last one. Add 1 to the exponent and get 5/2. Divide by that new number out front, get 2/5. Also divide by that 2. I get a 1/3 and a 2/5 and a 1/2 from different places. This from the power rule, this from the chain rule, this from there was a constant out front. Stuff inside is still 2x plus 1. Need to evaluate that from 4 to 12. 12? 12. What do I get when I plug 12 in here? I get 12 times 1/3, I'll do that part as 4, times 2 times 12 plus 1 is 25 to the 3/2. Minus, now plug in 4. I get 4 times 1/3 is 4/3. 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9 to the 3/2. 3/2 as an exponent means square root and cube it. Square root of 25 is 5. Cubed is 125. So I get 4 times 125 minus square root of 9 is 3. Cube that. You get 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 4/3 times 27. That's 4 times 9. So this one is 500 minus 4 times 9 is 36. Minus, what do I get when I plug in 12 and 4? Plug in 12, I get 2 times 12 plus 1 is 25. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, sure. Did you get it? Oh. Come on. I guess I better... Oh. Cool. Dang. I'll redo that stuff. I think I was about here. I had 500 minus 36 minus brackets, plug in 12 minus plug in 4. The minus is going to have to hit everything is why I'm remembering these brackets. 2 times 12 plus 1, I get 25 to the 5/2. 1/3 and a 1/2 and 2/5 is 1/15 out front. Minus plug in 4, I get 9 to the 5/2. I get 1/15 out front again. 25 to the 5/2 is a square root and a 5th power. What's 5 to the 5? Do I know that? 5 to the 5. Is it 625? That was 3125. I got 3125 over 15. Minus 9 to the 5/2 is 3 to the 5th. 3 to the 4th is 81, and then one more 3 is 243. These fractions reduce, but they already have a common denominator, so I probably don't want to do that. 500 minus 36 is 464. It's just numbers now. 3125 minus 240. Yeah, let's just type all this in. I'm not. What do I have to prove? Give me 500 minus 36 minus parentheses 3125 over 15 minus 243 over 15. Make it a fraction. 4078 over 15. Cool. Let's check if that's right. There's a lot of places I could have screwed up plugging numbers into this. Let's graph that function, x times the square root of 2x plus 1. And now calculate the integral from 4. Oh, it's going to give me an error because my graph doesn't go out to 12. I should hit window and change my window so it goes out past 12. I'll make it go to 15. I don't really need all that. Now, calculate the integral from 4 to 12. I got 271.86. 271.86 is also the answer we got here before we converted it to a fraction. So cool, it worked. It might be worth doing the substitution u equals 2x plus 1. Can clean this up. Actually, I think you can do it completely without parts if you do it with that instead. That's another option. Yeah, substitution, or definite integrals with parts. I need to go fix the homework because I posted the wrong PDF, I think. See ya.